So first of all, we'll have to take input in two variables. So let's do it. Let's call it num1, and we'll say input, and here we'll say enter first number. Okay. And since this input is going to be in string, so let me convert it right away to integer. So I'm performing typecasting over here as well. I'm going to copy and paste same thing over here. I'm going to change only two things. So I'll say second, and the second number, and the second number is going to be num2. So we have num1. We also have num2 available over here, right? Okay, cool. By the way, we should also add comments as well. So I'll say taking input from user. Okay. And then here we'll say performing calculations. Okay. So what do we have to calculate? First of all, this line should be the same. The sum of first number and second number is 11. So we'll say print. Okay. So in string, I'll say remember, whatever you'll have to write as it is, we'll have to write that in quotation marks. This 11 is going to be a result of some calculation, right? So this should be out of the quotation marks. We'll see how we can manage it. So we'll say the sum of first, what was that? First number. Okay. Number and second number. Then we had colon, right? No, first we have is, and then we have colon. I just want to keep the format. Okay. So here we want to print the sum. So here I'll say sum underscore result is equals to num1 plus num2, right? Now, in this variable, which is called sum result, we will have the addition of num1 and num2. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say comma. So first of all, I have a string in quotation marks available over here, which will be printed as it is. And then here, I will have that variable available, which is actually including the result of addition. Cool. So if I run it only for this input, let's say 7, and then I have 4. So it says the sum of first and second number is 11. So the thing is, this much of a line is printed as it is. And this 11 is coming out of sum result, and sum underscore result. By using assignment operator, we are assigning the value of addition of num1 and num2, right? Cool. Now what can we do is, we can copy and paste these things. So first of all, we have sum, then we have subtraction. So let's call it sub, okay? And then let's call it what was that? The difference, okay? The difference of first number and second number is going to be subtraction of result, right? And then again, I'm going to copy this, paste it over here. After subtraction, let's go with multiplication. So let's call it multiplication result. What was that? It says product. So product. And here, let's call it MUL, right? So here we are calculating the multiplication result, and then simply we are printing it out. Let's run it for now. First of all, enter 7, then enter 4, and our result is the sum of first and second number is 11, the difference of first and second number is 3, and then the product of first and second number is 28. And then remaining 3, very simple. All you have to do is you'll have to perform division, modulus, and exponential. Let me write the formulae for those 3, and I would like you guys to work on the print statement for rest of 3 lines. So first of all, we have division, very simple. This is the division operator. Sorry. Okay. and then we have modulus, right, or quotation, and then we have not quotation, it's modulus or percentage sign, you can say, and then we have what, exponential, right? Please write the print statement for these three calculations. So I hope you understood how to solve this assignment. Yeah, you're able to make your own calculator, right? But the thing is, in typical calculator, we write two or more than two numbers, and then we particularly select if we want result of submission, we want result of subtraction, multiplication, or whatever, right? Here we are just printing all of the result. So how can we achieve that particular thing? So for that particular thing, we have to have the decision-making power. How we can make such a program that can make decisions. And that is something that we are going to learn in next module. But before that, we are going to have a look how we can solve the same assignment using ChatGPT. Let's try that.